Seed milk can help you lose weight, control diabetes, and cleanse your liver. Do you struggle with diabetes? Learn more about birdseed milk, a beverage that assists you manage the sugar in your blood. Were you aware of it, that it can manage diabetes and enhance your liver function in an extremely easy and natural method? You can manage and keep appropriate organ function prior to signs appear. A healthy diet plan with the ideal foods can avoid a number of illness, consisting of diabetes. As our modern life is very dynamic, not over a lot of time to prepare our homemade food, which can be an aggravating factor for our health. So often, due to a poorly balanced diet, people end up developing diseases that can get worse over time. As many people are unaware of natural treatments, many people are held hostage by expensive medicines filled with harmful chemicals as they seek the help of their doctor when the disease symptoms are already advanced. This is the case with diabetes. So it is important to know what the symptoms of diabetes are and how we can avoid them. The most common symptoms of diabetes are: 1. Weakness. 2. Blurry vision. 3. Urinate many times a day. 4. Frequent infections. 5. Difficulty in healing. 6. Constant hunger and thirst. 7. Tingling in the feet. 8. Nervousness. But what to do when you already have these symptoms? The first thing to do is to seek a doctor to confirm the diagnosis and perform the proper treatment. Throughout the assessment, you can likewise inquire about birdseed milk. Canola milk is a recipe that assists manage triglyceride, glucose and cholesterol levels. So it can be utilized and enhance your treatment. Here's how to make birdseed milk at home. It is practical and easy. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons of canary seed, 40 grams almonds, 50 grams pumpkin seeds, 1 liter of mineral water. Method of preparation: put all the ingredients in the mineral water and let the seeds soften for some time. Then transfer this mixture to the blender and beat until smooth. Strain the paste to extract as much liquid as possible. Put it in the fridge and drink all day. Since it is seed-based, make certain to drink a good amount of water in order to avoid constipation challenges. If you already have symptoms of diabetes or are already on treatment, speak to your doctor to include this prescription into your daily diet and take notice of the results. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you. Do not forget to check out more videos that will appear shortly.